think you should.
Hey, what is up guys? This is Tien, and today I'll be doing an unboxing of the EagleTec mechanical keyboard. Specifically, it's the KG010. Alright. Really careful here, I don't want to cut myself. Shoot, okay. So there's just some looks like some warranty information, etc. I'll put this off to the side. All right, and let me close up the box cutter. All right, well, the keyboard looks pretty solid. That's all it literally came with. It's pretty heavy. I believe it's 2.3 pounds. It's not too heavy, but keep in mind that is the weight. I believe this is about, I'm not sure how long this is, maybe 6 feet. Here's a USB 2, looks like. Comes with some cable management here, a little strap. And yeah, that's pretty much it. It's pretty loud. Yeah, it's pretty loud. So if you have someone else sleeping in the room with you, or even across the way from somewhere else, they might hear it and they may not like you. And if you bring this into work, your coworkers may not like you either anymore, if they ever even did. All right, it's pretty loud. But like I said, most blue switches are loud. Some may be louder than others. So first impressions, looks pretty good. The one thing I like about this, it has a numpad. So I like, you know, if you're working in IT, you're entering those IP addresses all day, it's good to have that numpad. And feels pretty solid. Back has a little legs to kick out here, ergonomics, and has a rubbery material right here, so it prevents the keyboard from moving around too much. The one thing I already see that I don't like is the fact that it has some extra space up here. I don't know what's that about. I mean, it's done for design, but it could have done without that space because it just wastes too much space up there. It makes the keyboard more bulky, but it's not a deal breaker for me. Actually, it's splash proof, so if you spill something on it, it'll most likely survive that, but just stay on the safe side. Try to keep liquids away from your keyboards in general. And as I said before, it weighs about 2.30 pounds, and the product dimensions are 1760 by 7 by 1.10 inches. Right. Alright guys, so this is how the keyboard looks like. I just plugged it in. See, hear it typing. It's pretty loud. So again, it's a mechanical keyboard, so expect it to be loud. If you want more quiet ones, you can try it with the brown switches, but hopefully this doesn't keep anyone awake. Let's see here. Hit FN and scroll lock to turn off and on. Alright guys, so that has been my video unboxing of the EagleTec KG010. Like, dislike, subscribe, comment, share. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time. Goodbye.